How to withdraw money from Aviator app. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from the Aviator app. First, log into your Aviator app with your registered account details. Now, go to the cashier or withdraw option from the dashboard. Here, select your preferred withdrawal method, e-wallet, bank transfer, UPI, card, or crypto. Enter the amount you want to withdraw within the allowed limits. Then, provide the required details of bank account, UPI ID, wallet address. After that, submit the withdrawal request and complete any security checks, OTP, two-factor authentication, SMS code. Make sure your KYC verification is completed to avoid delays. Wait for processing. Wallets and crypto are usually fastest, while banks or cards take longer. Lastly, confirm that the funds have been received in your chosen account or wallet. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.